Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see introduction to AutoCAD. In the olden days, the only way that engineers and architects could illustrate their ideas was if they drew them out by hand. These days, pen and paper have been replaced by computers and design softwares like AutoCAD. With digital designs, those ideas are brought to life much faster and more efficiently. Let us see what is AutoCAD. AutoCAD is a computer-aided design software developed by the company Autodesk. It allows you to draw and edit digital 2D and 3D designs more quickly and easily than you could by hand. The files can also be easily saved and stored in the cloud, so they be accessed anywhere at any time. AutoCAD is a computer-assisted design software by Autodesk. More than making 3D models, AutoCAD is also used for drafts, documents, and 2D drawings. The 2D drawings, annotation features, and drafting allow users to customize text and dimension styles, tie in data from Microsoft Excel tables and spreadsheets to the drawings, and use dynamic blocks. On the side of 3D modeling and drawing, users can apply lighting and add materials to the models to produce real-life renditions and appearances. AutoCAD allows easy edits, fast production, and better accuracy. Let us see what is this easy edit. Before the age of computers, a designer would have to manually revise designs. You would have to create an entirely new draft or edit the draft you had, which could become messy and difficult to interpret. With AutoCAD, you can easily change and manipulate designs. Let us see now what is faster production. You can create a reusable block library to replicate design parts, a manufacturing component that you will need over and over. Save it to your block library to increase efficiencies. Saved files can be used and reused later, which makes the design process faster than if you did it by hand. Next is better accuracy. You can only draw some small by hand, but AutoCAD allows you to design down to fractions. This creates a more accurate design in all dimensions. Once your design is created, you can feed into a 3D printer or a machine for a prototype to be created, or the measurements from the drawing can be used to create parts of something that can be built, such as a building or house. Let us see the history of AutoCAD. AutoCAD was derived from a program that began in 1977 and then released in 1979 with the name called Interact CAD. The first version by Autodesk was demonstrated at 1982 Comdex. Here Comdex is nothing but a computer dealers exhibition that was a computer expo trade show held in the Las Vegas Valley of Nevada, United States in December 1982 as Autodesk's flagship product. By March 1986, AutoCAD had become the most ubiquitous CAD program worldwide. The 2022 version of AutoCAD release marked the 36th major release of AutoCAD for Windows. The native file format of AutoCAD is .dwg. One of the best examples for AutoCAD application is the construction of Shanghai Tower. Let us to the source to download the AutoCAD software. Autodesk has provided an excellent platform to download the software. It is a 1-year free licensed version. You can directly create an account and download the software from the Autodesk website. You can also find AutoCAD mobile app and AutoCAD web application. It is an account-based mobile and web application enabling registered users to view, edit, and share AutoCAD files via mobile devices and web using a limited AutoCAD feature set and using cloud-stored drawing files. AutoCAD web uses HTML5 browser technology available in newer browsers including Firefox and Google Chrome. AutoCAD app began with a version for the iPhone and subsequently expanded to include versions for iPad, Android phones, and Android tablet. Autodesk released the iOS version in September 2010, following with the Android version on April 20, 2011. The program is available via download at no cost from the App Store, Google Play Store, and Amazon App Store. Now let us see life before and after AutoCAD. Before the advent of AutoCAD and other drafting software, engineering drawings were made on sheets of larger paper using drawing boards. Many types of equipment were required to complete a given drawing. such as drawing board, different grade pencils, erasers, T-square, set square, etc. The major disadvantage of a paper-based design was that you could not change the drawing after it was committed to paper. This would mean that if changes were required to the design, the engineers would need to create the sketches all over again. Despite the massive effort by the technical field in the early 1980s, it was not until the late 1980s and early 1990s that CAD software became capable enough to be practical in engineering design. Before, drafting was tedious and time consuming. Now, architecture, design, electrical, and other drafters are mainly clicking their mouse and keyboard to do their projects. It has become a matter of fingers. A single person can handle an entire project. Here, it reduces the manpower as well. Let us see some of the features of AutoCAD. The first feature is storage and accessibility. AutoCAD allows us to store a large number of files in a small chip, and it is easily accessible from one place to another place. By sitting in our home, we can able to work on the project which is being constructed in the abroad. That is about storage and accessibility. Next is 3D view. AutoCAD gives us 3D view, which will allow the user to understand the drawing easily and clearly. The next feature is revisions and modifications. We can revise and modify the drawing n number of times without causing disturbance to the remaining part of our drawing. We can easily modify the part which is required to us in our drawing. Next is about speed. The project which we can do by using manually within an hour can be completed within minutes by using AutoCAD. Next is accuracy. AutoCAD gives us accurate design. AutoCAD allows us to plot the drawings accurately with any decimals. These are some of the features of AutoCAD. Now let us see the applications of AutoCAD. Every engineering stream has certain applications of AutoCAD, like electrical engineers use AutoCAD software for electrical circuit drawings, and mechanical engineers use this for machine drawings, and civil engineers use it for plan sections and elevations drawing. It is also used in the field of chemical engineering and aeronautical engineering. This is the AutoCAD interface. When we open the software, the main screen which is visible to us is as displayed on the screen. It has so many tools and toolbars. AutoCAD has an excellent feature of having shortcut commands. We can activate the tools by using the shortcut. The shortcut, like for example, to activate the line tool, the shortcut command is L enter. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you have got beneficial information. If it is so, like the video, subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you.